I'm so nervous. I'm so scared. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's rewind a bit. Welcome to the 90th official Furrondy. We're kicking things off here at Furrondy with the Grand Parade. Tyler and I got special invites this year to sit in like the special booth, so we have some of the best viewing. We're gonna have a pretty good time.
Welcome you to North America's premier winter festival.
Now, at this point, you might be wondering what in the world Furrondy actually is. It all started back in 1935 when Anchorage was just a small town of about 3,000 people. The first Fur Rendezvous was a 3-day event created to coincide with when the local fur trappers and miners would visit Anchorage, and so that locals would have some fun to look forward to during the long winters. Now it's grown to be an entire 12 days long with unique events like the traditional blanket tosses. They go so high!
Big as it.
Sled dog races, and even the outhouse races. Yeah, you heard that right. Outhouse races. But the main event is all the fur. There's even something about getting taken to jail if you aren't wearing your Furrondy pins. And there's the Furrondy chant. Rendezvous, come on! I'll be honest, the parade was really, really long.
Lua Fula, Billview Junior Soccer from Anchorage, Alaska.
They hand wash them, right?
Family Bakery.
Hosting races with
Support your local farmers this cookie season. Girl Scouts, where girls grow strong.
But we rewarded ourselves with a reindeer dog, and now we've made our way just kind of one street over to go see some of the sled dog races. And if you haven't noticed already, they're pretty loud. So good.
So we're here watching the dog sled races, and they go off like every 2 minutes. Anchorage this year has a really weird winter, and there was no snow, so they actually had to grab the snow from the cul-de-sacs in town and bring it in here.
3, 2, 1, go!
We've decided to make our way over to the carnival.
We're gonna see if Deborah rides a ride.
This is also where they have like the daily fur auctions.
I'm excited for that. It's kind of fun seeing it.
125. Do I hear 125 anymore? 125. Start me out $100. Ones this year. How about $800 on one of those? Do I hear an $800 bid anywhere? $800 bid.
10 tickets?
10?
Yep.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have fun.
Deborah wants us to go on the Ferris wheel, so here we go. I didn't want to do them in the winter, but Deborah's making me. Oceanside, City side. Perfect.
That's wobbly.
Oh no, we are going way up high. It is very wobbly. If we move forward, we go forward.
I'm gonna be very glad when we get off, to be honest. Whoa!
I do not like that part.
This is
Insane.
the scariest ride I've ever been on. Holy smokes, my stomach. My stomach is so like that feeling of when you drop. Oh gosh.
Like right here.
That was. What did you think?
That was terrible.
Thank you.
Are you good?
Yeah. Honestly, I think the views were good. I honestly don't remember. Fun fact, one of the most exciting events of the day is about to start. The Outhouse Races.
When we were here 2 years ago, I got picked from the crowd to join them, and that was so fun.
Season 1.
And yes, the Outhouse Races are exactly what they sound like. An event where locals spend time building up their own outhouses and then race them down the main street of downtown Anchorage. Let's just say it doesn't always go according to plan.
Yep.
This is the craziest event I've ever seen.
It's crazy to watch.
If you come to Furrondy, do not miss the Outhouse Races.
And get there early though, because it gets so busy.
We've made our way back to Furrondy this morning, pretty bright and early, to go see some of the snow sculptures that they're carving today.
And it sounds like they're even going to be judged today.
They are. So today's the last day of snow carving, and then at like 11 a.m. today they're gonna do the judging. We probably won't watch that because we have some other events we wanna go to, but it should be a little bit of an easier, more relaxed pace than yesterday. Each of these giant snow sculptures starts out like this. Essentially a giant cube. And because we didn't have any snow this year to use, they actually brought this in from all the different cul-de-sacs around town, so the snow's not as white as it would typically be. And then after hours of carving, they end up like this.
Obviously the snow's from the cul-de-sac, so there's different stuff in it. And this table kept what they found in the snow. They found like a hat, some glasses, a pipe. Pretty crazy.
One of the awesome things about Furrondy is that even though most of the events are located downtown, they also have events throughout the city.
So we made it to snowshoe softball. But this year there's no snow, so it doesn't look like they actually have snowshoes, but they are playing on snow. It was pretty fun, but we're leaving. We're gonna go catch some dog sled races. I had to get some mini donuts. I love donuts, and I haven't had donuts in a while.
They're calling your name over there?
Yeah, they were.
California, what to do up here in staff.
Yeah.
So I did watch your video. Where you guys were in that cabin and everything.
Yeah.
We didn't stay at the cabin. We're staying at the inn, the Homer Inn, or whatever.
Okay.
But anyways, I just wanted. That's all. Eric.
Nice
Yeah.
to meet you.
Yeah.
The snow is deep and
They worth it?
Mm-hmm.
Top prize today overall is going to be $1,650 for our top plusher. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
We ended up making our way really close to Cordova Street, which is where you can actually see the dogs and teams coming around the corner. There's no one else out here, and you get a really cool view of the dogs coming in with the mountains in the back.
So our next stop is the curling club. They have a bond spiel this weekend. And fun fact, Deborah and I actually, one of our only classes in college together was curling. And I had fun. Deborah, not so much.
I almost dropped out of that class.
Well, we have a drop-in Saturday league if you want to do any curling here. It's not every Saturday because when we have events and things, it doesn't happen. Yeah, you just come and pay $25 and it's a potluck, and we just make teams with whoever is here.
The last event of the day, ice bowling here at the Peanut Farm. We've done this before, and it's actually really fun. All right, so last time they gave us a cool shirt, but this is way cooler. They gave us a beanie. There we go. I'm ready. Let's go bowl.
Oh geez, Tyler!
Too fast.
I slip and fall.
You'll be all right. We signed a waiver. Wow. You did it.
Whoa.
Strike.
You're gonna get a strike every time. Uh-oh.
Oh. Oh, you missed the front one.
Oh my gosh, Tyler. Tyler always makes fun of me because this is how I hold a bowling ball.
Who else? All right. 9. Oh, Deborah.
Oh my gosh. This guy has to be so tired of picking up the pins.
You finished with a strike.
All right, that was fun.
That was really fun. I think I won, but it was really fun. Who do you think?
That's such a good winner. We have made it to the last official activity of Furrondy. I'm so nervous. I'm so scared. After spending the entire morning watching the official Iditarod start here in Anchorage.
Good morning and welcome to the ceremonial start of Iditarod 53.
I'm going to ask you to bless the racers and bless us all so that we could get started.
On the way to Nome for the very first time.
We're now on our way to the Reindeer Run. I'm actually so nervous. How are you feeling?
I'm ready. I feel a little stupid right now with these on.
But we are so happy that it's above 32 degrees here today.
They're amazing, they're fabulous.
I'm so scared. We clearly missed out on a pristine opportunity to dress up a bit more.
5, 4,
3, 2, 1. I'm so nervous. They said the most injuries are actually by like people stampeding on each other.
So let's hope we don't have a lot of
Fast runners. I feel like I'm just walking.
That's really all it is.
I don't know.
It's so suspenseful. You can't look back. Oh, really? Oh, they're all right though.
Hi, famous vlogger. She follows you guys on Instagram. She's like, wait, you sound like such a creep. I said, see,
That was so funny.
That was so scary.
That was so fun. Where are they now?
I screamed way more than I should have.
Oh, right behind you. Here we come, here we come. Oh, that was so funny.
I didn't even run and I'm out of breath. That's insane.
Where are they now?
I don't know.
Oh, that was so funny.
I think that's the end.
Is that it?
That was actually so much fun.
You got ran over by one almost.
Almost.
Deborah got ran over by the reindeer.
Deborah got run over by a reindeer.
And with that, our 2025 Furrondy experience came to an end.